In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out your Google account from all devices that's logged into. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So maybe you might have logged into your Google account in various devices that you might even forgotten some. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of all of them using just one device. And the device I'll be using here is this phone. So on your iPhone, or maybe the phone you are using, go to your Google. If you don't have the app, install from Play Store or App Store for those of us who are using iPhones. Click on your account and click on manage your Google account. Now once you're here, click on security. On security, when you scroll down to where you have your devices, I think scroll down to your devices and click on manage all devices. A minute, Google is kind of slow. So on this Google account, these are the various devices I'm logged into. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to choose the devices I want to log out of. All right. So I'll start from here and then I'll log out. I'll just click on that and click on sign out. And that's it. And you sign out of all the devices that you want to sign out of. So this is my television. I don't want to sign out of that. All right. Windows 10, sign out of this. So this is another device. Sign out. So you're just going to choose all the devices you want to sign out from and click sign out. And that's it. Oh, no, not find my device. Sorry. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.